Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today is a beautiful occasion. I'm filming this video because today is my birthday and I have a good reason to unpack or unbox my beautiful jewelry gifts. I will mention that these gifts are no surprise for me. I have chosen those in advance and that's my request or my strategy because I prefer to get something as a gift what I really like. So we will start with this beautiful pigeons postcard. This is the local British designer Tessa Metcalfe. She is based in London. She is working in a jewelry, specifically with a focus on pigeons. Her works are famous for her dark humor, as she explains in her own website. She embraces the irony of the luxury objects she creates, and as it's mentioned in her page, working from something considered to be so disgusting, the food of that pigeon. Let's unpack and I'll show you, and then we will discuss this masterpiece in more details. Meanwhile, I would mention that this is the gift from my mom, and thanks to her for this beautiful piece of art. Tessa Metcalfe herself explains on the website when she first took her pieces to shows, people would pick up her rings and say, "Oh, how beautiful this piece is," and then she would tell them that they were cast from a pigeon's foot, and they would drop them in disgust and look at her with a horror. Well, she says that the object hasn't changed, but the narrative has, the story behind it has changed, and how it's no longer beautiful but terrifying. So that's Tessa. It's herself says she wants to question the narrative people are given to believe. As she said, it's boring to make something beautiful beautiful. I like this concept, I like her creativity, and I really like this ring. I would like to visit her shop in London, but to visit there you need to make a booking in advance, have a time slot for appointment. I couldn't do it during my visit. Maybe in the future I will, so I can make more detailed video on her works and on her rings. Mainly I like the rings. They are made of sterling silver, and also she has solid gold pieces, but I have chosen this silver ring. It has a gold plated ring claws, manicure, and it has yellow or orange sapphire. There is also a variety of gemstones you can choose. I like also what she mentioned on her website. I will cite direct. I think it's important to retain a level of irony and humor when working with ridiculously expensive, emotionally charged, and essentially useless objects. They can bring such pleasure, carry messages of love, pain, or loss. They hold our deepest stories and fantasies, and yet always are just a small and expensive piece of metal and stone. I really like this formulation, which is completely true. These pieces for jewelry lovers are unique. We like to get it as a gifts for special occasions because they carry our memories throughout the life. I hope this piece will carry my memories throughout the life. Thank you, Mom, again. I love this piece so much. And I like the way how it looks on the finger. You can put it actually on any finger, or even I think you can easily stack it with other rings. Let's put it aside and let's move to another gift, which is David Yurman. Everybody knows it's a famous designer, kind of luxury one, which combines sterling silver and yellow gold, or even rose gold. I think there are pieces. With my purchase, they give me this polishing cloth and this beautiful pendant. I think it's like kind of decoration element, also pigeon for a new year and Christmas. I didn't open it yet. It's mentioned D. Yurman, and I think it's very cute as a free gift with a purchase. Let's open my box. I have chosen the bangle this time because I was looking for something, for a statement piece, and something where I can go with more pieces, like for collecting or stacking, but which can go also by itself. As I mentioned, this is silver with a 14 karat yellow gold, the cross. Actually, it is an X collection on their website. I love the ring. They have beautiful ring. I'll show you in the next video when we will make more detailed review of David Yurman flagmanship shop in New York in 5th Avenue. I think I would like to stack it with more pieces, but we will make a bigger review and you will see the difference in the width of the bangles. Meanwhile, let's pair it with my new ring and see how it works together. Last month, I really loved buying silver, but nowadays I love even more pairing silver with the gold. I love the combination of the metals even more. I love this ring I have. It's 18 karat yellow gold, and I think it fits really well with this bangle. I think it's kind of perfect match, even though I bought this ring long time ago. I think this white band really adds some difference and make the look complete. Meanwhile, I have another ring, another few rings. I think they can match with this bracelet as well. One of this is this blue topaz ring. I think this yellow gold cable around the ring highlights the cable bracelet and it matched together if I want to add color. Or I can wear this croissant ring, but I have to remove the topaz ring and put back the yellow gold and white gold ring together. So I think this is also one of the combinations when I want to give more statement look. So let's put aside the David Yurman bracelet and let's have a look in Pandora. Actually, Pandora is a gift to myself. I didn't look for this brand since I finished the love story with their bracelets, but while walking with my friend in Manchester and later on in York, we went inside Pandora and she was choosing one of the jewelries for herself, some of the jewelries for herself, and I really like this chain. I really think that this chain is the masterpiece. It's an amazing piece for those who like to wear necklaces of different length, who have bigger or chunkier pendants, or if you want to put few charms in one necklace. It's so easy and so adjustable with these carabines or with these pins. I don't know what's the right answer or the right name of it, but you can play with it whatever you want. You can make it longer, you can make it shorter, you can make literally any length you want, because with this hook you can get inside any of the rings. So this chain makes all your outfits work. I mean, you don't have to fit now your necklace because of the collar cut. I have this beautiful tourmaline which I couldn't wear because I felt the chains I have are not complementary with it. It didn't look well balanced. So when I saw this chain in Pandora, I thought this should be a perfect match. And it is. I will show you in a second how it looks together, but for now let's see the shine of this beautiful stone. It will take me some effort to put inside the chain. I think you can buy these pieces, the carabines, separately on the website, but when I was checking, these were all sold out, unfortunately, because I would be happy to buy few for myself more so I can play with the chain more. I wouldn't advise you to buy bracelet on the website, because from this chain, from this necklace, you can already make a bracelet. If you're looking for other colors, they have on the website of Pandora. I saw there is a yellow gold and rose gold plated. Pay attention that on the US website, if you have a choice, it's more expensive than on UK website. In UK it's 150 British pounds, which is converted to $188, but on US website it goes for $265. I don't know why it's such a big difference, but if you can save some money, check few websites, different countries. If you are traveling maybe in the upcoming month, you can try and get it there, but don't delay because it can be sold out fast. I think it's amazing piece. The idea behind it is just fascinating, and I think the price for this chain is very reasonable as well. You can play with it whatever you want. You can make any necklace work together with any pendant, and yeah, I'm very happy with this piece. As I have mentioned, I bought this in York for 90 pounds, which is approximately 113 US dollars. I think it's a beautiful piece. So here are my gifts and my unpacking. I hope it was interesting for you. Let me know below in comments, what do you think? What did you like? What is in your wish list for your birthday and upcoming holidays? And let's have a look on the last piece. This we were just passing by in the mall, and I just saw this necklace and I thought I need it because I love the balls jewelry, and it reminds me the Tiffany style beads or balls bracelet, but for sure it's much more cheap. It's like 40 pounds I got it, and I think it's a basic piece which fits any white gold jewelry or any silver jewelry. I also have this balls ring which I bought in Morocco, so I think it's a good combination. Also I have these earrings which are I don't know from where, but it was a gift from my auntie like 20 years ago, and I think it also fits well with the bracelet and with the ring. And also I found in my jewelry box the earrings I forgot about. I just polished it with a cloth, and now they're super shiny, fits this beautiful collection of the balls. Thank you for watching, I appreciate. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll hope to see you in the next video.